So today is Wednesday, May 15th. It is 2 o'clock, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing for the next few hours until I go fishing. First thing I'm going to do, I rebuilt all the seals in the bottom of this leg, and I'm going to go ahead, take it outside, put the ears on there, start it up to confirm that the water pump's working, because I replaced that. That way I don't drive to the lake and something's broken. Hooked up. Now let's put on the water. Now I may or may not have left this on, so I don't think it has too much power. So I got a work truck here hooked up to the booster cables because my pack is dead. And now let's turn on the water and try to get. Okay, so that's good. It was coming out of here, which means the impeller is working, and now we can shut it off. Alrighty, so as you saw there, it was running, revved up, went into gear in both spots, and there was water coming out of here, which means the water is getting pumped up there. So that's pretty awesome. I think I might just put the cover on it and park it outside. Forgot I can't actually put it away because this throttle's messed up. It goes into gear, but then past that it's really stiff, so I need to fix that. But while there's nothing in there, I'm gonna try and do that Dune Buggy. So here on the Coleman BK150, last week's video, as you saw, we had done the valves and done the starter solenoid and the carburetor and some other stuff on it. Doesn't seem to be running quite right still, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is try and start it up and see if it starts good cold again, because yesterday we were just having troubles with it because we ran it for like an hour and 40 minutes, which is pretty impressive. So we're gonna see, try and start it up, and if we need to adjust the valves again, which I think is what I'm gonna do, just to make it run really nicely, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, so it's doing the same thing it used to do, which was the issue of the valves. So I'm gonna pull the valve cover off and readjust those. All right, well, I took about an hour break there. I tried to go sell some rims, but apparently the guy didn't want them, even though they were super cheap. Not really sure why he didn't buy them, because everything I disclosed in the ad, he said he didn't read. Anyways, typical Facebook people. So we're back here, gonna get these valves adjusted. I got those all adjusted to spec, and now I'm just gonna go up here, and let's hit the key. And look at that. That's literally all it needed. Pretty crazy how much of a difference that can make. So now I bought this engine with this boat, but then I decided to buy another one. So this starter isn't gonna work because we put power to it and it doesn't work. So we're gonna pull it off and let's clean it up.
Just in case it can open. Is that sand?
flashlight.
Yeah.
I just got one.
Want to dump it in a bucket and show it?
No. You want to just tap on the inside?
Hmm?
Tap on the inside of the, yeah. Huh. Look at that. It spins freely now. So let's test it out. Let's just try it out. Well, it was spinning. After sticking it back on, I pulled it back off again because it didn't end up working and there's no continuity, there's no continuity through it, so we're thinking that one's bad. So because this boat is the same engine, I put that one on here, and that way we can test it to see if this engine's good, and then we can buy a starter for like $100. We're gonna end this video here. We're gonna test that out, and then we've also got the Dune Buggy, which is running good, and also the boat's fixed. So if you want to see more videos on things like boats, engines, dune buggies, or trucks, be sure to subscribe.